Bro, that AFA bridge at Isawo is at it again. Like, we can't really cross, we just have to drop. Like, to use our leg to cross the bridge because people really trying to walk through right now. So let me just video this along.
Live videoing. Wow.
So right now, I don't know if you guys see this. So yesterday the water was not as full like this. So right now, but people really have to walk through from the end of that other bridge to the end of this very bridge before they can just board the bus. Now there's another bus stop right there right now because of this flood. You feel me? That shit. I don't know. For people who still keep wondering that why do we still have to video situations like this? But we are still trying to work. To make a progress, you feel me? But I think they have to double up big time. Double up big time. Let me go to the other side of the bridge. So now this is very small issue. I can't say it's small because of that side. I can't say it's small. Even now I feel like this, I can say it's small, but still have very small.
Ó fẹ́ bà mọ́tò wa jẹ́. Bàbá ọmọ, ó fẹ́ bà mọ́tò wa jẹ́.
I have to go to the other side before going to that edge. I'm betting people come plenty for here past that side. Let me bring it a little bit closer. See traffic there. Those are people going to work. Good morning, sir. Accountant. Accountant ibi iṣẹ́ wa nìyẹn kò séyàn ọbẹ̀. So I know the course so much. I don't know. This is very space. This space, this water space is wild as hell. I don't know if you can see from that very edge to this very edge. Like the water space is wild. So if they want to control this bridge, they have to really do a lot of work. But let's see. Let me show you. This one for people that want to push up. I don't know. Yesterday they had to divert the water somehow to enter that hole. There's one big hole there that they dug for this thing to implant the foundation of the bridge. No, but so down now the water filled there already. I don't know. I'm kind of reducing what I'm saying because people who are passing by. I don't want to feel like yes. There we are. Different motor go dey spoil in this area. See, they try big bricks to cover that side. I don't know if it will work. So this water go sha. Situation like this don't happen before. Yes. This guy people where they carry person cost now. They charge you later. They give them $100 for 1 or 2. I'm just kidding. Because now they go that place I want video there. At least one shit there. Okay, you know my brother. So people they fast.
Sì, sì, sì. Can you see it?
I don't know. Bravo. See I now. See I now. Oh, you don't fuck up. So, I think I will give you a report by evening. That guy go ask this guy, no don't come so yeah, I'm not passing to the water. Let's stop for that one don't stop. See that guy? Yeah, see, the water go fix the bumper like this. See the guy and Mas não vamos fazer vídeo. Vamos fazer vídeo para a menina. Não pode, não pode. Thank you for life.
Follow no road that way. Ah, ẹ má gbà bí. Àlàáfíà o, ire o. Àwọn onímọ́tò gan bọ́lẹ̀.
So let's call it a day for this video. I don't know. So people that hold this shop now, sorry for them. People that hold this shop now, I'm sorry for them.
community really they are so kind.
Seriously. My God! Apa? Hello. How many years ago?
Hey, Dada, one. Governor Baba Sanwo-Olu.
Up moment. For this kind of area, you go still your computer, you need to abandon all those kind of things. Like your own guy, go that place. I hear people you, yeah. They are trying. People working there, they are really trying. I don't know how much government is funding them or stuff like that. But they are really trying. They are trying big time. Forget the traffic we are having right now and the bad roads. I just know just for let me say, I won't say few days, so let me say so few months, and everything will be everything fixed. Everything will be moving. Guys, feedback by evening. But I believe by evening that was time. So hold on. So baby, when you want pass for here like this? Because I don't know where you want pass for here. So so I feel like that's gonna be maybe a pause or a wrap for this video, you feel me? I feel like that's gonna be a pause, but I have to show you guys in the evening how this shit turns out. But that's gonna be a pause for this video. You feel me? 3, 2, 5 family, we're coming soon. We're gone.